All right, so in this video, we're going to draw Lewis structures for ions. Ions are elements which have gained or lost electrons. It's indicated by this, positive sign on top or a negative sign. If it has lost an electron, then it means it's more positive on its nucleus, so one positive charge. If it has gained an electron, has an extra negative charge, which is indicated by that negative. So if it's positive, it's a cation. If it's negative, it's an anion. In this case, magnesium has lost 2 electrons. Okay, so how do we draw Lewis structures for an ion? Okay, so we're asked to draw the Lewis structure for beryllium. Okay, so we're going to draw our beryllium. Okay, it is very important that if we're dealing with an ion, you indicate it using braces. Okay, write the negative sign, which tells you it has an extra electron. Okay, so remember, it gained an electron. So how many dots do we draw? Now that's the question. Okay, so we find beryllium, and beryllium is in group 2. If it gained 1 electron, okay, then it means it now has 3 valence electrons. It used to have 2, it gained 1, so now it has 3. So we need to draw those 3 valence electrons. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so that would be the Lewis structure for beryllium as an anion. Next example, okay, we have magnesium, okay, with a positive charge, which means it lost an electron. Okay, so it's more positive. So we have magnesium, right? Magnesium. We draw the braces and indicate that it has lost 1 electron. So where is magnesium? Magnesium is in group 2. But now if it loses 1 electron, it moves to group 1. So it had 2 valence electrons. Now it has 1 valence electron. So how many dots do we draw? Well, we draw only 1. Okay, 1. Okay, next example. We have sodium, okay, with a positive charge, right? So sodium, this is the example we have right here. Okay, if sodium loses 1 electron, okay, let's draw the Lewis structure. We need sodium braces to indicate it will lose 1 electron. Okay, so sodium is in group 1. If it loses that valence electron, okay, then it moves to the next complete valence shell, all right, as if you were moving in your periodic table to the next level. Now it has 8 valence electrons. So sodium loses 1, so it moves up, okay, and now has 8 valence electrons. So how many dots do we draw? We draw 8. It lost, moves backwards in the periodic table 1, which is going up to the second level, which is 4. Okay, so 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, all the way to 8, evenly distributed. Our last example, oxygen. Okay, so oxygen gained 2 electrons. Okay, so oxygen, we'll draw the braces, 2 electrons extra. So if it was in group 6, it used to have, okay, 6 electrons. If it gains 2, so now has 7, 8 electrons in total. So if oxygen gains 2, 1, 2, now it has 8 valence electrons. So you draw again 8 valence electrons. Okay, all right.